value is the bank's insurance policy, I guess is what you would say. But the market is what the market is. If you get the house, you're paying market value. The market changes on a daily basis. It goes up, it goes down. It's based on supply and demand. It's what somebody is willing to pay for it and what they're willing to come to the table with. What I had said on this house that we had multiple offers on, we told everybody we're going to consider everybody's offer at X time, and so you have a few days to go back to your buyers and see really what they want to do. But the bottom line is that how your buyer chooses to handle that appraisal determines probably whose offer is going to get accepted. Because if that appraisal comes in at $300,000 and the house is at $330,000, and that's what all the other offers are, we're not going to set. So there's several people that took that to heart, and they were able to come up with some cash that said that we are willing to pay X amount above the appraisal price in order to get the home and everything. I had one of the agents that came back and said, my person isn't going to overpay for the house. They're not going to pay more than market value. And the bottom line is they're not going to get that house because they don't have the same market value as someone else does, because they think that the bank determines market value. And in the real world, that's not what happens. But unfortunately, when you're dealing with inexperienced agents, many times that's how they handle the situations. And so you're kind of stuck with that. When you're out there as a buyer and you're looking for an experienced agent, I mean, you need to find somebody that knows what they're doing, because it's more than opening up the house and writing up an offer for you. Strategically, in every market, there are different things that need to be done in order to get that home under contract in the first place and then actually get it to the closing table. And so if it just comes down to who you work with does make a difference. Real estate agents are not a commodity, and so you really need to be working with the right people. And that's what I find a lot of times when people are getting that buyer fatigue. It's because what happens is that they're going along and they're just trusting whoever they're working with to guide them down the path, but they might not know enough, or they've got preconceived notions in regards to what an appraisal is and how it works.